Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Doing another chainsaw unboxing, doing kind of a mini series here. I ordered 4 saws on Prime days and got one video done. This is another one. I don't know which one it is, so we'll find out, but I ordered 2 limb saws and 2 big saws, clone saws. So let's see which one we got. I got part of it broke, so this is, I have a box in a box. Oh yeah. This is the 660 clone. Okay. Quick and dirty. And booyah. That is the MS660 clone from Fuzzy Moose. Yes, that's the name. There's the dogs. Did get a little bit of a tool kit. I know it won't be as good as Neotech's, but there's screwdriver, wrench, scrunchy, Allen wrench, so basics. Manual, mixer, and that's it. So this particular saw, I have a Neotech 660 clone that I love. The power's unreal. So, there's that. This particular saw is normally right around 300 bucks, which you can get a Farm Mac for that, which is the upgraded Neotech. Neotech's worked out great. But they had this on Amazon days. This is August. This was the one back in July of 24, you know, year's 24 here, whenever you watch this video. But they had this for $230. I had to try it. The only thing I didn't like when I ordered it, it does not have the full wrap handle. When I ordered that Neotech, that was the first full wrap I ever had, and I loved it. It's addicting. Because sometimes you can, it helps having that top grip, you know. Sometimes this is hard to grip, but with that big saw, when you're falling your tree, it helps. But anyway, not joking. Fuzzy Moose, or Fuzzy Moose, I don't know. Chinesium not got a good name. So, anyways, not a bad color. I don't know if this is going to be a total pile of crap or a decent saw. The Neotech has been great. I have used it a lot. But for $230, I've kept seeing this, and it's normally $300, and I kept wanting to try it just to see, so we're going to find out. So, I'll turn the camera off. I'll get the bar and chain on it. It didn't come with one. This was strictly a power head. And we'll get gas and everything in it and do kind of a first start. Then we'll go cut some wood with it and see how it turns out. So, I'll turn the camera off and I'll be right back. Alright everybody. I got it full of gas and full of oil. So, first start, let's see how long it takes. How many pulls does it take? Alright, trigger feels good. Choke's on. I don't know about this did not come with a decomp plug. I hate decompression deals. I just soon pop it out and put a plug in. I did that to that other Neotech. But let's see. Doesn't me like it's on. It was. Okay. There we go. Hey, she barked. I didn't count. Did you count? I forgot to count. I didn't count that. I just check the video when I do it. But started up, sounded good, felt good. I'm sure the carburetor will have to be tuned. They always do because there's no dealer for these. I know some people get all mad. Oh my God, they don't run out of the box. They don't run right. Well, you got to tune them, man. You know, your dealer tunes you go buy a new Echo, Steel, or Husky, the dealer tunes that for you before they sell them. Or right when they sell them, so. Also, let me know if you know, what is that for? There's an on-off and a plug deal. My Neotech don't have that. Some kind of heated deal or something? I don't know. Let me know what that is if you know. Alright, we're going to put a bar on it. I'll get the bar on it. We're going to be running, I have not tried these, but I ordered 2 of them. These Dukes, bar and chain, 24 inch. I like the 28s, but I can buy 2 of these for the price of one 28 inch bar. It's just not worth it. And I like the 28s because I'm a tall guy. I'm 6 foot, and I can run that 28 and I don't even have to bend over at all to cut on the ground. So, but anyway, we're going to try these. So, see how these work. Anyway, I'll get this on. I'll see you in the woods, and I'll get this tuned and we'll do some wood cut and see what I think. So, see you here in a bit. All right, everybody. Got the saw together. Got my 24 inch bar on. That's where I left off. We'll go ahead and I'll kind of go through here and we'll just run this old saw and see what she's like. So, let's find out, shall we? Okay, not sure what happened there. Hope it don't happen again. Find out. quick video. I'm gonna tune that oiler up a little bit. So far, so good. I did not tune that carburetor either. That was right out of the box. So it could use a little on the high side. It could come up a little more. I'd tune that Neotech all the way up. And it'll outcut it. But pretty good little 660 clone. The trigger feels really nice on this, surprisingly. And I did not tune it. That was right out of the box, and it's actually pretty close. I mean, it feels pretty close to me. And starts easy. See here for sure. Starts easy. I don't like that they didn't send a plug for the decomp. I hate decomps, even 92 cc's. You know, I don't know. It might be me. It don't bother me to pull them any. And the Neotech, it's just less headache with them things. It's something else to quit and one less thing to break. So I just put a plug in mine, and I ain't had no problem with it. And the Duke's bar and chain seems to be pretty sharp. So it had good reviews on YouTube. You know, I watch it like everybody else. Everybody that had them like the chains and stuff. I'll see how the bars work. But I can get this off their website right now. This is August of 2024, you know. When I bought these, they were $38 for a bar and a chain for a 24-inch bar for the steel. It just doubles, even with the Neotech and the cheaper brands, Hall's Pharmas, all of them. They go up to about 80 bucks automatically with a 28-inch bar. It's not worth the extra 4 inches. You know, it's not. So I like the 28-inch better. That's what I got on that Neotech, but I'm gonna run these if they work, because I can buy 2 of these for the price of one 28-inch bar. It's just not worth it. And the Fuzzy Moose is working, seems to be all right so far. Time will tell, like every other one of these saws I've done. But I like these big saws, and right now I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. It feels good. It runs good. It run good out of the box, surprisingly. The Neotech was a little worse than that, but once I tuned it, great, you know. So, and I don't like, didn't come with the wrap handle, but this was 230 bucks for a 92cc saw on that Prime Days. And I'm not going to leave an Amazon link because the sale's going to be off. But, you know, when it comes up on Prime Days, just type in 92cc saw. There's a few other brands of these too. There's like a Coker or something. So I don't know, but for 230, I wanted to try it. And if you're wondering about the Neotechs, so far I have loved mine and I have no issues with it. I mean, you can't beat it. I bought it for $330 with a 28-inch bar. This was $230, and I had to buy the bar, so I got about $280 in this with the bar. Time I got it shipped and everything. So anyways, I'm gonna cut this video off and I'm going to finish this. And as of right now, the Fuzzy Moose ain't too bad. So one last look so you know I'm not crazy here. Moose or moose, I don't know which, but it's fuzzy. It's fuzzy. Whatever it is, whether it's a fuzzy moose or a fuzzy moo. So anyway, like I said, I'll keep you updated on it and see how it works out, and we'll just keep running this thing, and works great. If it don't, great, it's cheap saw. So I hope it works, as I done bought it. But anyway, I guess that's that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me your comments, what you think about this thing or saws like this. I haven't tried the Hall's Pharmas yet because they're usually more expensive than those Neotechs, and from everything I've looked at, now Hall's Pharmas come a long way since they come out, but when Neotech come out, they come out good. A lot of people's really ranting and raving. Them saw guys was tearing them down and bragging about how good built they was and the cylinder heads and all that. So I went with the Neotech, haven't regretted it, but I might get a Hall's Pharma one day. Like I said, they're a lot better than when they first come out. They're pretty, you know, pretty bad, but they've come a long way and they've got a lot better. So I might try one day, but this was on sale. The only reason I was trying this on Prime Days. So I'll probably just stick with the Neotechs and stay tuned. I got 2 more saws in the series. I just did one and I don't know which order they're coming out, but I bought 4 on that Prime Days that was marked just way down, and one of them's the Farm Mac, which is the upgraded Neotech. So anyway, I'm gonna cut the video off and finish cutting this wood. So stay tuned for more stuff in the wood yard, more log splitter builds, videos, all that stuff. And let me know what you like, what you want to see. And I'll give the Fuzzy Moose a thumbs up for now. So as always, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.